Hello, Facebook Live. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. Hope everybody had a good week. It is already Thursday, which I can't believe. It's been a very, I don't want to say stressful week for us, but it's been a very busy week for us. Those of you that were following Marcus yesterday know that Justin had surgery yesterday. He had torn an ACL, and I was in the hospital with him all day yesterday. Marcus waited outside. They actually let me in, which was really great. The doctor was awesome. So he is resting, and then he will start his therapy, physical therapy, in a week or so to get him back so he can get back ready to play baseball again. So the good news is the doctor said that once he starts physical therapy, he can actually start throwing the ball again. He won't be able to stand on a mound, but he'll be able to throw again. So that's great. But everybody is doing well. He's doing good. Thank you, Albie. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Hope Justin is feeling better. He is doing really good, resting, playing golf on the Xbox. So that's really good. So thank you, Matthew. I appreciate that. So it's been a very long week for us. Yesterday was very stressful. Not stressful. It was stressful, but it was overwhelming. There was a lot going on yesterday. Today, getting back into the mix of things, a little overwhelmed today as well. So let's see. Actually, Justin is texting me right now, or my mom is asking for a big Caesar salad for him for dinner. So he wants a big Caesar salad. So we're gonna get that to him. I've been feeding him vegan. So he's been eating lots of fruits and vegetables. Good recovery. He's gonna have a big Caesar salad tonight for dinner. Which is, we make it vegan for him. Tonight is our $9.99 special. We have two. We have crab cakes and we have our burgers to go. So crab cakes and burgers. You can have both of those gluten-free. The crab cake is gluten-free automatically. We just make it that way. And we can put it on a gluten-free bun. The burgers are gluten-free, and we can put that on a gluten-free bun. So $9.99 special to go tonight. Excuse me, the restaurant is open. We have about 7 tables, so we definitely recommend calling ahead and making a reservation. We'd hate for you to get here and us to turn you away. We always have takeout available. Every night we have takeout. And we also have our groceries available. Marcus didn't get a chance to do a Facebook Live this morning. He's been super overwhelmed all day today as well, busy running around doing stuff. We got some new grocery items. We have dark chocolate covered raisins. They're organic. We have organic dried pineapple. Cashews are back in stock. Let's see, we got the Nutiva, which is similar, Nutiva hazelnut spread, which is similar to Nutella. That is back in stock. What else do we have that's back in stock? I'm just looking. We have cashew butter. I believe we have sunflower butter. We have peanut butter. We have organic jelly. So those are all organic. We just got cassava, gluten-free pasta. We have organic tortilla chips. We have salsas. So we have a lot of cool stuff. So check out at aromatimebistro.com. If you click on the top on the grocery list, you can check out all of our groceries. Those are still available. We pack it for you. We can bring it out to the car to you. You can come in. You can look around. I am going to grab my phone here and turn this around real quick so you can see what our dining room looks like. So you can see we have all of our wines and liquors for sale. There's some really cool stuff there. Those are our grocery items over there. Both sides are pretty loaded with stuff. You can come in, you can look around, you can order. We also have wild smoked salmon. We have wild salmon frozen that you can get. We have H&H bagels. Sorry, I'm just putting my phone back on. We have H&H bagels. We have organic cream cheese. So we have a lot of cool stuff in stock now. So check it out. Let us do your grocery shopping for you. Organic, healthy. We know what's in everything. We're really conscious about the ingredients, not only on our regular menu, but also on our shelves on our grocery shelves. So check that out, aromatimebistro.com. We'd be happy to pack it up for you. You can come in and pick it up. You can get food from our kitchen as well. What's that imported pizza we have? Good question. It is Talia, I think it's called, and it is imported from Italy, from Naples. They are frozen. There's a margarita and there's a broccoli rabe, so those are really cool pizzas, and they taste really good as well. So cool pizzas. You can come in, you can take those out. And then we also have our regular pizzas as well, the very thin crust whole wheat pizzas, yeast-free, that you can get from our kitchen. The Yukon potato blue cheese with truffle oil is awesome, amazing pizza. So thanks everybody for watching. I really appreciate it. If you're watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. That just helps kind of get the boosts up, and more people are able to watch the videos. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. And today I am going to be making a fig martini. Very simple, very easy. This was recommended from a friend, a guest of ours who came in the other day. I am going to be using the black fig vodka. So I'm going to add 2 ounces of the black fig vodka in a shaker. So 2 ounces. And I'm going to add a little bit of agave just to sweeten it up just a little bit. And then I'm going to use pomegranate juice. I use this organic pomegranate juice. I like the Lakewood. We have it for sale here, so all of this can be bought. About 1 ounce of that in my shaker. I'm going to shake it up. Wow, lots of people on today, so thank you everybody for watching me. I really appreciate it. Marcus and I, again, I say this every so we are very grateful for everybody, all of our guests, all of you, everybody who's been watching us. Thank you very much. And so you use 2 ounces of fig vodka from Black Infusions, my friend Michael from Black Infusions. I know I use his product a lot, but I really, really like it, and it's really versatile. It goes with a lot of things. Organic pomegranate juice and a drop of agave, so cheers. Wow, that pomegranate comes out with that fig. It is really awesome. You can use cranberry juice as well. Again, tonight, $9.99 special crab cake to go and $9.99 burgers to go. We have a roasted tomato blue cheeseburger, bacon cheddar burger, and our forager burger with apple and bacon and herbal jack cheese. You can also do our chickpea burger, which is vegan. You can add cheddar or vegan cheese on top of that. And let's see, and that's it. Marcus will be on tomorrow morning. I'll make sure he's on giving updates. Thanks everybody for sending their love to Justin. Justin is doing well. He's home recovering. He is not moving his leg right now. He's just icing it. And I have him on lots of really good fruits and vegetables to kind of help him repair that ACL and get back on the mound as quickly as possible. Hopefully he will be playing in a summer league. Hopefully he'll be well enough to play in the summer league, but he will redshirt this year, and then he'll have 4 years of eligibility to play baseball. And he goes back up to school in a few weeks, so he'll be able to walk again and get up to school and get to a physical therapist and be around his team members and his roommates, and hopefully push him to get well quicker. So all he said to me yesterday after surgery was, I just want to play baseball. So he will play baseball. He can start throwing soon. So thanks everybody for your well wishes. I appreciate that. Cheers to the fig martini. Simple, 3 ingredients: fig vodka from Black Infusions, pomegranate juice, and a drop of agave. So cheers. Hope everybody has an awesome day. Happy Thursday, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful night and enjoy.